Hey guys, welcome to the heart of Winter Park. We're outside and we're ready to show you this beautiful, beautiful 5-bedroom, 6.5-bath new build in the heart of Winter Park, over 9,000 square feet. So you are watching Let's Talk Orlando, Amazing Lives, Amazing Homes, and we're going to show you this amazing home. Don't forget to look for the interview of the builder and their agent in the YouTube channel. So come on in. Hey guys, so we are in the beautiful, elegant foyer of this home. And if you look here, this is all done with Thasos marble, with granite black inlays. And they even did a little bit of a custom artwork just for the home. What the owner thought about when he was in this home is that he wanted it to be very, very welcoming, like old Americana, traditional home on the outside, but when you come inside, ultra modern. Take a look, I'm gonna step down here and take a look at this gorgeous living area. You're gonna see that it goes all the way up, super high ceilings, and we're gonna be outside and we're gonna see the beautiful light coming in through the windows. This particular stone, they imported it from Spain. It's Negro Marquina from Spain, and they were telling me that it's 2 solid pieces of stone. As you look around here, this is a great place to gather with the family. And upstairs, you've got the bedrooms for the kids, additional 4 bedrooms upstairs, and you have a viewing area. So if you're down here, you're entertaining, you can kind of take a peek and see what's going on downstairs. You can look outside to the pool from the upstairs, but it's quiet. You're not going to have that echo. And as you see, the living area just flows into this gorgeous dining room, which is right off of the kitchen. So you can have a really big table, you can have a smaller table. And again, so much light with this modern home decor, gorgeous chandeliers throughout. So if wine or champagne, I'm a champagne girl, if that's something that you're looking for, take a look inside of this winery. And they've got it all done up. I think you could have a whole rack of Dom Perignon right here. And it's set off from the living area, but also really close. When you go down this lovely hall here, you're gonna see this gorgeous kitchen. The owner is from up north, the New York area, and everything you see here has been custom thought out, custom designed. We have Calcutta marble tops, granite countertops. Now, if you look at the video on the YouTube channel with the interview, you're gonna find that this home originally was under construction and left, and the owner, or the new owners, came in and then they put their touch to it. So this was originally a galley-style kitchen, and you've got Wolf appliances, you've got Sub-Zero refrigerator, and everything is built out. I'm a real big fan, if you want to show them over there, of the cabinetry, all backlit. Never have to worry about, oh my gosh, where's my stuff, or what do I have? And every family is looking for something that flows into the family space. So you have your formal areas in terms of your living and your dining, and then you've got this nice breakfast kitchen area and this wonderful family room. So you can be cooking, you can be talking, and you can be enjoying the outside. We're going to show you in a minute that this home is surrounded by fruit trees. We've got fruit trees outside. Beautiful, beautiful pool area. And it's just great for living and never leaving. We were talking to the owner. He's like, this house started being built during the pandemic. And so one of the things that are the features of this home is that there's 2 offices for the his and hers. And look, you've got all of this space in terms of over, gosh, 6.66 acres, I believe. It's a huge, huge lot. Can't wait to show you the upstairs and the outside. Hey guys, I want to show you, before we see the rest of this house, I don't often show garages, except for in my last video with the ultra huge garage. But take a look at this garage. So this is the latest and greatest, especially in the Winter Park area here in Orlando, Florida. And Winter Park is kind of a subdivision. You're literally 10 minutes from downtown. But if you look out here, you've got lots of light coming into the garages, and nobody can see inside. So I love the fact that it's super private and there's a lot of light, because nobody likes going into a dark garage. And we have two of these. So when you face the house, you have your two garages, maybe the his and his, the hers and hers garages. This is definitely a beautiful feature, rather than having like some of those homes where you have a really, really long garage. This breaks it up and balances the home. So one of the defining features that I love about this house is the spiral staircase. It's still fairy tale romantic to me, and the builder did a gorgeous job. This wrought iron is done by a local artist, so it is not, you can't even find this. This is something done by hand, and it goes all the way up, around, and over, and another gorgeous chandelier upstairs. But guess where we're gonna head, guys? We are gonna head downstairs. And can you believe it? There's never a downstairs in Orlando, but we've got one. Come on down. Guys, I'm heading downstairs, and you will not believe what is down here. So come and let me show you the way. So one of the ideas that the owner had for this home was it could be an athletic person or an athlete, you know, maybe a sports superstar. And all of this down here is a gym, and come on over here, a juicing kitchen. So if you're into juicing and smoothies and you want to get your workout done, bam, do your workout, come in here, do your juicing, do your smoothies. And again, I cannot emphasize, we don't have basements in Florida. Why don't we have basements? Because the water level is crazy high. But in this case, the way the land was, you can have one of the few homes in the heart of Central Florida, the heart of Orlando, with a basement. Let me show you some more. So guys, I'm still in the gym. This home comes with an escape hatch for, you know, if you gotta get out of the house and you don't want nobody to know, that goes out to the pool. So say you're doing your workout down here and you want to do a quick dip and you still want to get your workout going, just go right up that little flight of stairs and bam, you are in the pool area. But my favorite feature of the home is coming around this way. This is where I will be working out. So you can get your gym on here, you can get your dancercise going on here, you can do yoga with your friends. If you're somebody who is an educational trainer, all of this area down here can be your studio space. It has so much more, and if you look right over here, it even comes with a bathtub and your downstairs, you know, shower, everything. So this is an athlete's dream. So guys, this is the second floor. We have 4 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. And my 2 favorite bedrooms, if you come out this way, are gonna lead you to an absolute joy and wonder, a 55-foot second story terrace. Come over here and take a look. Each room is beautifully done, but step into the sun. 55 feet, marbled, terraced with turf, beautiful mirrored railings, and of course the gorgeous pool. This is where you can really get an idea of what an estate home this is. So if you want to have a party down below, you want to have a party upstairs, or if you want to have a place for your kids to play, you know, it's very high, you know, railing. They could definitely come out here if you want to come and sunbathe. Again, you never have to leave this home. This is a retreat in the sun. So on the second floor throughout, you've got engineered hardwood. Every single bedroom has been outfitted with beautiful cabinetry, and this is one of my favorite rooms because it has a beautiful big window. This would be the place that I would relax, that I might make into a second bedroom for myself. And again, you have access out to that gorgeous second floor terrace. And this one actually has some access also through the bathroom. So, who knows? What he told me, the builder's agent was telling me that this terrace could hold a semi-truck on it, a really big truck. So if you wanted to have a jacuzzi on the second floor, by all means, I would do it. So follow me into the owner's retreat, and what a retreat it is. So you've got triple tray ceilings, and what I love about this master is that you have this gorgeous stone fireplace. Just imagine just relaxing here and having your fireplace. Now it's not the biggest master per se, but there's so many other living spaces in the home. And one of the things that's important to me as a girl is come with me to your designer boutique closet. Sorry, forgive me. This is like my dream. This is my dream closet, y'all watching out there. This is the bomb, and this is all for her, or the her in your life, all backlit, custom cabinetry. You can just come in here with your girls getting ready for a night on the town, or you're never not gonna know where your stuff is. And while you're here getting ready, you have a beautiful view of the pool. Of course, you have your custom shades as well that can go down, not a problem. And the second part of this owner suite is just immaculate. They did a stunning job with the his and hers showers, and then you have your pool, also your pool in exit. They did mosaics, his, her shower, marble vanities, but my personal favorite is the chrome bathtub. What? Sarah, this is a clip right here. Oh, and I touched it. So, okay, maybe it's not the easiest to clean, but if you're living in this home, I'm sure you're gonna have a nice person come in and help you out with keeping it on point. I love the mosaics, I love the black and white. I love how they went bold with this chrome bathtub. Yes! And men, we have not forgotten about you. If you're not happy with that amazing gymnasium downstairs, this is the man cave. This is where you have your cigar with your boys. You can do your drinks. This is all marble, just gorgeous. I love how they have this hand-beaten bowl here in terms of your sink. Just very sweet in terms, not sweet because you're men, but very bespoke. How about that? That's a better word. But this is a great man cave. So I hope you guys have enjoyed doing this tour as much as I have enjoyed being here and really letting you see one of the gems in the Orlando Winter Park area. If you are thinking about coming down to the Orlando area and you don't know it, I grew up here, I lived in Winter Park, I've lived in Orlando all my life. I would love to help you find or build your dream home. We have lots of builders, both private and the ones that are always partnering with us. So please reach out to me. You can call me right on my cell at 407-921-1310. You can search homes with me on my website at lotusdoorhomes.com, or please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please share us. We're all over social media. We would love to connect with you, and I would love to help you find your way home. Don't mind me, I am just setting up for my hole-in-one. I am loving this little golf course on the side. Again, like I said, you never have to go anywhere unless you want to. You've got your own little mini golf course, and on the side over there were absolutely gorgeous fruit trees. I think he said there's mango, there's avocado, there's strawberries, blueberries. So if you're into juicing, oranges, tangerines, if you're into juicing, by the time those guys mature, that you just pluck them and then go downstairs to your juice kitchen and make your fresh juice. And look at this guy. Yes, I'm loving this pool. And so these are all marble pieces. And you've got turf, you've got real grass, and it is a corner lot, but all of the shrubbery here is designed to grow up to 4 or 5 feet within a year and a half. So you're gonna have tons of privacy. And of course, don't forget upstairs, right over here, you've got that second floor terrace with the glass railing. And so you can have a party on the top, you can have a party on the bottom, and the pool is heated. Gotta tell you, I know some of my northerners might be like, Jen, it's Florida, but once you've been down here a little bit, you're gonna find that your blood's gonna thin. And this is, for all my ladies, all my gourmet chefs out there, this summer kitchen is the summer kitchen. It comes right off of the main kitchen as well. So you've got your main kitchen, you've got your family area, so you can get your stuff from your refrigerator and come right over here and have the barbecue to end all barbecues.